Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up, you checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Today is Throwback Thursday, y'all. So I'm out here to have some line of sight fun with my original Babyhawk. And so I can't remember if this was the version 2 Babyhawk or not, that had the transparent body shell, but this is a mixture of the two. As you can see, I have the original Babyhawk's internals and everything, bottom plate and camera mount and everything, motor mounts and everything is from the original Babyhawk, but that little transparent part that goes over the top, the cover, that's from the version 2, I believe it was, the transparent. I think the transparent ones were labeled as version 2. But anyhow, I'm out here to have some line of sight fun with it. I do have a 3S pack out here. It's really not meant for 3S, but I have flown it on 3S in the past. I'll have a link in the description to one of the videos where I flew it on 3S, just so you guys can check it out. But this time I got it on 2S like it's supposed to be. That 3S is just out here for in cases of an emergency. If I don't have a good flight with this 2S, or something is wrong with it or whatnot. But I'm out here to do some line of sight with it because the camera is horrible on this thing. I always hated the camera. It seems dark to me, and well, not blurry, but it just seems like it's not really in good focus. And when I tried to turn the camera lens to focus it better, it didn't work for me. So I tried to use pliers, and it kind of was tearing up the front of the lens there. So I chose to leave it alone, and so I just fly it line of sight. And so I just fly it line of sight most of the time. So let's get this guy in the air. Yeah. Try to hand launch it. The trick is, if you're really still with your hand, then you can get this guy to ready. And just as I thought, this battery is trying to tap out on me already. It's screaming at me. And it went down on me, so I guess we're gonna have to use that 3S. So let's get it up with the 3S. This 2S wasn't up to par. Let's see if I can get unplugged. It's gonna be tricky squeezing this. Oh, it wasn't that tricky squeezing the 3S in there. So this is not intended for 3S, but we're definitely gonna fly it on 3S. A little bit anyhow. My hands are shaking. Okay, there we go. It looks like a little rabbit. And it's oscillating a lot. I think these are Emax props on it, but they're not props for the Babyhawk. I have custom motors on here too, I forgot to mention. These aren't the stock motors on here, so these motors are a little faster. I'm just ignoring that buzzing. and it died on me. It just gave me a hard punch out on its own and just died. Well, I feel like I had enough fun with it though. The original Babyhawk, flown with 2S and 3S. You don't get that long a flight with this guy anyhow on these little packs. Throwback Thursday. Thanks for watching.